And I was in the dressing room. I was just crying for 2 hours straight, reading all those hate comments. It really got to me. Noong 2025 po, early 2025, I didn't get a lot of hate comments. Sobrang bihira lang. And then, middle of the year, it started coming in. And nanibago po ako. Hindi po ako sanay na nakakita ng hate comments. So, nag-reply po ako, nag-react ako. And it really deeply affected me and my mental health. Tapos, towards the end of 2025, I kind of learned how to accept it and take it as it is, kasi some people are really not gonna like you. You're not always gonna be someone's cup of tea. Tapos, during shooting, I was bashed a lot. Tapos, ito yung time na hindi naman po ako nagbabasa talaga eh. Pero I couldn't stop reading. Parang ayaw tumigil ng brain ko. I wanted to read, I wanted to know what they were saying about me. And I was in the dressing room. I was just crying for 2 hours straight, reading all those hate comments. It really got to me. And then, after that, it was time for us to shoot again. And then, I realized that it helped. Kasi, nung eksena na po namin, lumabas na lang siya. Wala pang hack siya. Pero, I think that's the only positive thing I can take from that. Because, hate comments, they're everywhere today. They're so normalized. Dahil nga, people can just easily hide behind fake profiles, dummy accounts. Parang they can't really take accountability for the things they say online. It's hard to track them down. So, they just feel free to throw whatever words they want to say. And what I can say about that is, even though we don't see your faces and you're hiding behind those pictures, just know that God is always watching you. And lahat may balik. So, yun lang.
Noong una, sobrang naapektuhan po ako sa hate comments kasi binabasa ko sila palagi. Palagi po ako nagbabasa ng mga comments. Pero nung bandang huli po, natutunan ko na parang mas healthy na wag na lang basahin. Tapos, dito po sa movie, parang pinag-usapan namin ni Angela na gagawin namin yung best namin dito. Ginawa namin inspirasyon yung mga haters talaga namin. Totoo po, ginawa po namin silang inspirasyon dito sa pelikulang to. Parang kahit ano pong sabihin nila sa amin ng paulit-ulit, wala po kami ibang gagawin. Hindi po kami babawi or anything. Hindi kami magre-reply. Ginalingan lang po namin sa pelikula namin. Binigay po namin yung best namin.